Hello guys, welcome back to Review Wirely. After a long time, I am making a video on my latest keyboard. Yesterday, I purchased this keyboard complete setup from Amazon. You can see the labels on this box. Let me unbox this keyboard. I'm going to removing from this corner. Just open this box over here. I'm taking out the box. I'm taking out the here is my latest keyboard just now ordered on Amazon. Like top of this we have a bill. Basically, I purchased it for 1200 rupees Indian currency. It costs you around $180 in US compared to India to US currency. Here is the top view of the keyboard. You can check the keyboard over here. In this box, we have a back like a RGB lighting for this keyboard. In this keyboard, we have a light different color lights on this keyboard. Let me show in different color. Like we have a premium gaming keyboard mouse combo like a ZEP transformer along with a keyboard and mouse has both of the things has a good like a RGB lighting for extremely. This keyboard is for extremely for gaming. You have a great feel by using this keyboard. Let me show this set of the box. We have a keyboard on side like with a integrated hotkeys, USB interface, aluminum body, two-step stand, or gold plated USB, multicolor LED, Bridget cable, 104 keys on this thing. Like right side we have a frequency, how it was using USB interface, gold plate, everything it was mentioned. In one side we have a company branding, and in back side we have a Zebronic ZEP transformation, and we have some, like I will show you one more thing. We have some of the specifications. Here is in this box we have these are the some of the specifications for this keyboard, and you can check over here. And here the complete specification comes for this keyboard. And let me open this keyboard right now. Yeah, we have to tamper. You have to open this thing. I'm opening. Okay, I think it was not a new. I think so. Here is our keyboard. In this keyboard, we have got a like a manual like thing. Is a manual comes from with this keyboard. Let me. There is a one book inside this keyboard, like a user manual. This is the complete user manual. These are the features we have having this keyboard. How do we connect USB for a PC? Like they have instructions to connect your like keyboard and mouse to your computer. Here is our aluminum plate. Sorry, first let me show you the RGB keyboard, how it looks like here. This is the keyboard, comes with this. You can see the keyboard over here. It's like a Iron Man metal guard. This looks awesome. Let me backside we have a iron panel. Top of this is that great look like a allow this Zebronic mouse. Especially I purchased it comes in with a cheaper price. You got a great keyboard. If you purchase any normal keyboard or other like a Microsoft Logitech and many companies charging around 2,000 to 300 for gaming. For gaming you have to invest more money from any other companies. Like say so many companies are selling gaming keyboards. You can see here the gaming keyboard over here. Let me go to the keyboard. In this keyboard, here is a keyboard where you can. I'm taking out all the things from keyboard. Here is the gaming keyboard right now with us. These are the keys, everything we have in this keyboard. This keyboard has iron, like it's aluminum. They mentioned that it's aluminum. I thought it's a strong aluminum case. Back side to this keyboard here is soft. Let me think. Black side we have a two-stepper header. By using this, okay, I am showing closer. This is the one step, and this is one two step to increase the height for your as per your convenience. Here is the length of this keyboard. You can see the keys of this keyboard. Okay, around that we have a good like a cloth covered wire to protect you from any shocks, cuts. We have this keyboard is overall I'm telling you one thing, this keyboard is everything 100% useful and 100% secure, 100% good keyboard for lowest price if it comes with the efficiency and gaming experience. So this is the complete review of the Zebronic gaming keyboard. Check the description if you want to buy this keyboard. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe. Thanks for watching.